This is me, Engineer Pumsman. I'm welding airtight box. Airtight. This is a stainless airtight box using a stainless steel, a stainless sheet 3 mm with a 12 gauge 12 electrode. Now stainless electrode. So I just try to do it very well. Yes. In our workshop, we have invisible bed. That's the voice of that invisible bed, pushing the visible bed around. I need to weld it using Americans welding society standard AWS, even though I don't get the certificate. Yes, I need to do it very perfectly. Welding it perfectly without any leakage. That is Engineer Kunzman, and Louis, Engineer Kunzman. Please try to like my page, follow, and subscribe, please. Yes, this is the one I've already finished welding. I'm just making this video to see the face of the wedding. This is it. Already finished doing. You see, it's nice. It's fine. Yes. After wedding, we tested it to check whether there is leakages using water. Yes, I can say this is a boot weld. I use the former boot welding method. Yeah, it's American welding society standard. I wish I get that certificate. I wish I get the certificate. Wish I get that type of welding certificate. But not be even in this Nigeria. I run away. Go to where I can pay me. Let's continue to do the wedding. Yeah, this is the box. It's a very nice box. Okay, very good. Okay, see you next time. Thank you so much.